Hello everyone. Are you wondering what small means? Let's explore. Small is a term used to describe something or someone that is small and cute, often evoking a sense of affection or endearment. It's a playful, internet slang version of the word small, typically used to describe animals, babies, or anything that is adorably tiny. The term is often used in social media to express how something's diminutive size makes it extra lovable or precious. For example, a small puppy might be referred to as small because of its tiny, cute appearance. Small is all about emphasizing the cuteness that comes with being small, turning an ordinary adjective into a term of endearment. In essence, small is a way to express affection for anything that is both small and charmingly cute. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.